Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. Now, all you have to do is launch the Steam application on your PC and sign in into your account, and you should get to this homepage. Then, simply click on the search bar that appears and type in Counter-Strike 2 and press on enter to search for that particular game. Now, you can scroll through the list until you find Counter-Strike 2. So unfortunately, it's not in the list. So all you have to do is simply scroll back up and find this option, Counter-Strike 2 soundtrack. Click on it. And then all you have to do is you'll see this information on the right. This is an additional content for Counter-Strike 2, but does not include the base game. So all you have to do is simply click on this icon or this picture, and then this will take you to the Counter-Strike 2 page. Now on this page, you should see the game, what the game is all about, and you can see a description here on the right side. And also you can scroll down and see each and everything regarding this particular game. Now scroll down to the bottom and find this section, the system requirements, and check if your PC supports the minimum system requirements. So if you're on Windows, click on Windows and check if your Windows PC supports the minimum requirements. If you're on SteamOS or Linux, you can simply click on that option and check if your PC supports the requirements. Now, once you've checked on that, all you have to do is simply scroll up and then find this option or section, the Play Counter-Strike 2 section. And then all you have to do is simply click on Add to Library. So select it. And then you should see this notification, Counter-Strike 2 has been added to your account. It's now available in your Steam library. So select OK. And then all you have to do is click on Library in the top left corner. And then from the list of the games, find Counter-Strike 2. So here it is. Select it. And then all you have to do is simply click on Install. So click on Install. And then you should see this window appear. Now, choose the option you prefer, either if you want to create desktop shortcut or create start menu shortcut. Choose the one that you desire by ticking on the option. And then you should see the installation location of that particular game. You can change it by simply clicking on settings and then choosing this option here, select that, and then add another drive, and that will change the installation location of that particular game. So once you've changed the installation location, all you have to do is simply click on install, and the game will begin downloading on your PC. Now you can check the progress by simply seeing this button here, or check up this icon here that shows the progress, or you can simply click on here at the bottom where it's saying downloading. So click on it, and then you should see the download progress of that particular game. And that's basically it on how to install Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.